Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with WooCommerce for dropshipping. Review my setup and configuration experience. WooCommerce for dropshipping allows you to set up an online store using WordPress and fulfill orders automatically through dropshipping suppliers. This is primarily aimed at entrepreneurs looking to start an online business without managing inventory. Key features include product importing, automated order fulfillment, and integration with various dropshipping platforms. Their website provides details on pricing and different extensions available to enhance your dropshipping store. WooCommerce emphasizes its flexibility, allowing you to customize your storefront extensively and integrate with numerous payment gateways. They highlight the open-source nature of WordPress and WooCommerce, offering a large community and extensive documentation for support. While no specific pricing is mentioned upfront, they emphasize the modularity, letting you choose and pay for only the features you need. Availability is worldwide, as long as you have a web hosting service and domain name. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using WooCommerce for dropshipping. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. I installed the WooCommerce plugin and the chosen dropshipping extension, and within a couple of hours, I had a basic store set up. Navigating the interface was intuitive, especially if you're already familiar with WordPress. Importing products from my chosen supplier was easy thanks to the dedicated importer tool. I tested the automated order fulfillment by placing a test order, and it worked seamlessly. The order details were automatically sent to my supplier, and I received a confirmation email. The performance was good, the site loaded quickly, and the product import process was efficient. I did run into a small hiccup with a specific payment gateway integration, but their online documentation helped me resolve the issue. I was really impressed by how flexible the platform is. Customizing the store's appearance and adding extra features was a breeze. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated order fulfillment. It saved me a ton of time and effort. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve in understanding the different settings and extensions available. It took me a little while to find the optimal configuration for my specific needs. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with WooCommerce for dropshipping. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and provided a solid foundation for building my online store. That's my overview of WooCommerce for dropshipping. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.